If knows anybody interested in BSA twins, I got a little bit of that, not a lot, but some.
Yeah,
I mean, like these BSA gas tanks that I got two, one at the house, one at the shop. This thing right here, kind of pointy looking little.
oh
knob.
yeah, I shipped one of those to Maui, along to John Goosley or something.
Yeah,
But then he's now in Florida.
yeah. They only made those for 2 years, so it's fairly rare.
What's that?
Those BSA oil and frame tanks.
The what tanks?
Oil and frame, BSA,
Oh,
BSA
yeah.
and Triumph share the same frame, almost. And they changed the tanks and the seat covering, of course, and a couple other things.
Just overwhelming stuff.
That tank was only made for 2 years. It's kind of a rarity. A lot of guys stick Triumph tanks on them just because they can't find the easier one. But on the other hand, not that many people are really big fans of that year of BSA either. Guy on the Big Island has one for sale, and it's got a Triumph tank on it. It's not unmolested. He said it's unmolested. I said, well, it's not